Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with Uriativist, and today we are applying some humic acid and organic fertilizer. It is September, so this is the fall season. This is a great season for taking care of your lawn, putting down that extra nutrients that your lawn is needing for a great time to winterize. I didn't want to say it, but we have to prepare our winter on what's going to come in the next few months. So today we are applying humic acid, which will help unlocking already available nutrients in the lawn, and also putting down some organic fertilizer to feed the soil rather than just boost the plant. So if you are interested in quitting putting down synthetic stuff on your lawn and wanting to switch to an organic, all-natural approach, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, uriartsservice.com, and see you in the lawn.